There are many popular operating systems for computers and phones alike. The most popular are Windows, Mac OS, and of course, Linux. There are many Linux distros, from Ubuntu and Kali to Cubes OS. But first, what is a Linux distro? Distro stands for distribution, which basically means all of these distros are distributions of the GNU-based OS. The core for all of these distros are basically the same, just that their package managers and UI are different. Linux's customization and flexibility are why many people love it. Windows, on the other hand, is popular for its large selection of software and how user-friendly it is. Why not merge both? WSL is short for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It allows you to work with Linux while still being on Windows. You can access downloaded distros from the terminal. When I say WSL, I'm referring to WSL2, not WSL1, since 2 is just better. Right now, the only distros are Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Debian, Oracle Linux, and SUSE. WSL basically just runs a virtual machine which runs Linux. To open it, I'm gonna go to the terminal. To install it, just type WSL-install. I already have it installed, so it's gonna open my default distro, Ubuntu. I'll just exit. Then I'll type WSL list online to see all the distros I can download. Then I'll type WSL install and then select my distro which I want to install. Right now I'll choose Oracle Linux. Installation may take a couple of minutes. Next, it will ask me to create a Unix username. For now, I'll put C.O.R.E. Then I'll type my password in. If we ever want to open a terminal for one of our Linux distros, we can click the drop down and select which distro we want to use. As you can see, we can easily open other Linux distros. Other commands that we can use are WSL-V to give us the version and WSL-L to give us all the distros we have downloaded. As you can see, I have Ubuntu as my default. And that's all there is to it. If you have any issues, I recommend going to the link in the description. WSL can be useful for when you want to access Windows and Linux both. If you want to use Linux, it would be better to install it on your PC or laptop. I wrote these instructions on medium.com. I recommend you go there in the other link in the description as well. Please like and click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.